Hello all, let us try to write a simple code on how to read and print a file in Python. So for that, the first thing that we need is we need to know where this file is located. So we have a folder where list of files are present. So let us copy this. This is the folder where we are using. We are trying to have all the files. So data underscore folder, let us try to name it. Okay, this is the folder where we have the data, so where we have the file that need to be read. Okay, and then the file, the data file, what we have in that folder is diode.txt. We have a txt file there, so we are using. And now once that is done, let us try to open the file. So before doing anything, we need to open the file. So this is similar to what we do in C programming, right? So open data underscore file. So that's what we are doing. So we have assigned it to a file, and what we are going to do is data underscore read. We are going to read the contents of the file using file dot read off. Okay, so we have assigned it to file, and then we are reading the contents of the file using file dot read off. And basically what we said is we are going to print the data, right? Print of data underscore read. So very simple. First point to the location, then point to the file in that location. First open the file, read the file, and then print the file. Okay, so open the file. Okay, this is the problem if you are a C programmer. Okay, so open the file, and then the next thing what we are doing is read the file and print basically. Okay, now let us try to run. And when we run, we can see there is a information on diodes in that file, so which is being read. So this is how we can read contents of a text file in a folder using Python code.